So this question taken by network theory subject. So here say that the switch in the circuit in the figure is in position P for a long time and then move to position Q at time t equal to 0. This is the figure. So the value of derivative of voltage at respect to t, okay, at t equal to this is what? So this is the main figure. So according to question asked that what is the value of capacitor voltage, derivative of capacitor voltage respect to time. So step 1, switch at position A and time this. Now switch will be connected to the P terminal and short circuit. On the other hand, the position of the Q terminal will be open circuit. So this line now will be not needed because of not working there anything. So now this is open circuit, I say that, and capacitor will be open circuit and inductor is short circuit. Again here this is 20 voltage in parallel with a 20 kilo ohm resistor. So according to their relation, the current is voltage by resistance equal to one value of current. So now current is 1 milliampere, and now there is capacitor voltage in parallel with a 1 milliampere current. So according to their relation, the capacitor voltage equal to 10. Step 2. Now switch will be connected to Q terminal and short circuit. On the other hand, the position of P terminal will be open circuit. Now since switch is not associated with the P terminal, this aspect will not working in here because of open circuit. So look here, already I have to find out the current 1 milliampere. So here 1 milliampere. We need to find the voltage. So according to this circuit, we now have a way to find the current. So apply KCL 100 by 5 kilo ohm. It means 5000 plus this current and plus this current equal to 0. So find out the capacitor current minus 3 milliampere and capacitor current equal to, this is the formula of current. So according to question asked to the value of derivative of capacitor value respect to time. So here this value will be this. This is the answer our question.